ATL Jacob, ATL Jacob.
Woke up in that mood again. Please don't call my phone again. Walking causing havoc. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic.
They watch me on the stages. They watch me going crazy. I'm about to make them pick the pieces up. They lock them in the cages. A lot can happen in a couple minutes. Lots of reasons, lots of things in action. Lots of people watching things unravel. Watch the moment, watch me going. Locked and loaded. Say some shit that'll make them think it. Stop provoking. Only do things that'll make it history. Trying to make moves that'll make them miss me. Stay as busy as I want to. Taking trips to escape a bit. Make a shift to a different gear. Taking things to a different tier. Pop up with it on a roof like a proper villain. All it spinning got me in a mood. Driven by the vision I've been living. Sitting pretty, fixing pretty cities. Busy, really get it busy with it. Giddy up.
Woke up in that mood again. Please don't call my phone again. Walking causing havoc. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic. Woke up feeling like I think I just might. Woke up feeling like I think I just might. I just never seen no girl like this. Stone cold plus ice on wrist. As bad as it gets. Face got crazy down on my bed. I'm a chart topping exotic. Goddamn hot throbbing head dropper. Just walked in and made jaws drop. See me wearing it and watch it pop. Getting and doubling. My bed when bosses tumbling. High currency, I'm thumbing it. Oh, you thought I went hard? I'm upping it. I don't do generic. London and Paris, looking real healthy. All of my carrots, give them a look, now got them all staring. Give me the crown, so might as well wear it. Woke up in that mood again. Please don't call my phone again. Walking causing havoc. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic. Woke up feeling like I think I just might. Woke up feeling like I think I just might. I just rapping like my Lisa. I told them that I'm focused and want that old Lisa. Then listen to my old shit.